Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to discuss video solution test paper 15 need biology. So question number one, Struccio eggs released are okay. So Struccio eggs released are 1B, that is fertilized. Okay. Then second, in which of the following organisms new organism is produced without syngamy? Okay, so without syngamy, तो आंसर टू का होगा डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस. ओके, pathogenesis. Now question number 3, तो eggs covered by calcareous shell are laid down in, so C will be right, birds and reptiles. Okay, then number 4, select the monocarpic plant out of the following. Okay, so 4 A will be right answer, bamboo. Okay, now fifth, staminate flowers produce, the answer is B, that is antherozoids, they are male gametes. Question number 6, which of the following groups is formed only of the hermaphrodite organisms? Okay, तो 6 का अगेन आंसर विल बी डी, दैट इज अर्थवर्म, टेपवर्म एंड लीच, ये hermaphrodites है, bisexuals है. Okay, question number 7. Question number 7, you need to identify the ovaries are shown here, so B is the right answer. Okay, question number 8, again figure based, so D will be right option. D will be right option. Moving to next question, that is question number 9, so B will be right option. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 10. Okay, so question number 10, correct answer will be B, that is 180. Okay, then which of the following has highest number of chromosomes in gametes or myocytes? Okay, तो 11 का सही आंसर होगा B, ऑफियोग्लोसम. ओके, तो ऑफियोग्लोसम, तो 1260 chromosomes they are there. Okay, total. 12, cucurbits and coconuts are dash plants. Okay, so 12 A will be right answer, that is monoecious, so both male and female flowers are present in same plant. Okay, then 13 D. Okay, in plants and animals the reproductive process is regulated by, so 13 का correct answer होगा option D, hormone interaction with some environmental factors. Question number 14, C will be right option, that is bacteria, binary fission. Then 15 का सही जवाब होगा B. And question number 16, what does the given figure represent? Okay, so B is the right answer, that is strobulation in Aurelia. Okay, now moving to next question, that is question number 17. So 17 का straightway answer will be B option. 18 straightway answer will be A, that is diploid parthenogenesis. Okay. 19 Euglena reproduces asexually through. Okay, तो ये भी longitudinal binary fission होता है, vertical section होता है. 20 A will be right option, that is Cornelia penicillium. Okay, then 21 का आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, स्पॉन्जेस एंड सिलेंट्रेट्स आर यूनिसेक्सुअल एनिमल्स. ओके, तो ये इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. 22 टूरियंस आर असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर्स इन. ओके, तो 22 का सही जवाब होगा ए. एंड 23, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनकरेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन, तो 23 का करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए. Moving to next question, that is question number 24. Okay, so 24, which of the following propagates by aerial sting? So open chia, D will be right option. Okay, so D will be right option. Then 25, stock and cheyenne are used in. Okay, तो 25 का सही जवाब होगा grafting, B. Okay, now moving to 26, bulbil is given. Okay, तो 26 identify, तो D will be right answer, bulbil. 27 zygote after its formation undergoes a period of rest or dormancy to tide over adverse condition in, तो 27 का जवाब होगा C, algae and fungi. Then 28 right answer will be option D, the development of zygote depends upon the type of life cycle and environment. Okay, then 29 vegetative propagule in the given figure is, so definitely it is rhizome. Okay, gingiber officinal figure is there, so stem rhizome. Okay, 29 C will be right option. Then 30 lifespan of parrot and crocodile is dash and dash respectively. Okay, तो 30 140 तो parrot का होता है. Okay, तो D will be right answer. Then 31 asexual reproduction in fungi takes place by. Okay, तो 31 का सही जवाब होगा D option again, that is Cornidiophore. Now moving to next question, that is 32. तो 32 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन C 1 and 3 only. Then 33 again directly 33 का D option will be correct. ये binary fission in amoeba है. Then 34 again D will be right option. Cow, sheep and dog. Okay, estrus reproductive cycle. तो 35 which of the following pair of plants are dioecious. Okay, तो 35 का सही जवाब होगा D, Mercantia and Cycas. 36 female sex organ of algae and Algicara is. Okay, तो 36 का सही जवाब है C, Oogonium. 37 fertilization in frog is. Okay, तो B is the right answer, external. Okay, then 38 which of the following statement is incorrect. Okay, अब regarding zygote, तो 38 का correct जवाब होगा B, it is haploid or diploid. Then question number 39. Okay, D will be right option, and question number 40 B will be right option, that is 12. Now moving to next question, that is question number 41. तो 41 का B will be right answer because it shows flowering in 50 to 100 years only once. Now 42 correct statement regarding reproduction. So 42 का सही जवाब होगा option C, in honey bees incomplete parthenogenesis occurs. 43 D will be right option, that is Bryophyllum. Then 44 a clone is, so 44 A will be right. Okay, 45 choose the correct pair, तो 45 का सही जवाब होगा option B, honeybee rotifers parthenogenesis. Okay, 46 correct answer will be C, correct answer will be C. Then sequence. Then 47 which among these is not post fertilization event. Okay, so 47 B will be right option, gametogenesis. Okay, it will be pre fertilization. Now 48 question number 48 C will be right option, 34. Then moving to next question, that is 49, so D will be right option. Question number 50 B will be right option. Okay, then 51 lifespan of fruit fly is, so it is the lowest one, so about 1 month, that is correct answer. Then 52 budding is common in. Okay, तो 52 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन D, all of these. Then 53 binary fission may occur in. Okay, तो binary fission जो होता है कहाँ पर होगा, तो C option, Paramecium and Planaria. Then select the option in which new plants are produced by rhizomes. Okay, तो 54 का correct answer होगा banana and ginger. Then 55 second breeders living in wild state reproductive cycle occurs in, तो A will be right option, favorable condition. And 56 right option will be B. Moving to next question, that is question number 57. 57 B will be right option. Question number 58 D will be right option, all of these. Then question number 59 A will be right option, 2 and 4. And question number 60, okay, question number 60 का करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए. ऑप्शन ए. 61 आइडेंटिफाई द गिवन ऑर्गेनिज्म. तो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है वो है क्रो. तो 61 राइट आंसर इज सी, 15 years. 62 which one of the following processes results in the formation of clone or bacteria. Okay, so 62 right answer will be C, binary fission. Then 63 D will be right option. 64 right answer will be C, sexual. Okay, so Phillips. 65 Strobilanthes contiana flowers once in. Okay, तो 65 का करेक्ट आंसर है बी, दैट इज 12 years. ओके, कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु, श्रीलंका में पाया जाता है. 66 डी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन. एंड 67 करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी सी. फॉर 67 सी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन. Moving to next question, that is 68. Okay, so 68 C will be right option. Then 69 का D will be right option. 70 C will be right option. Then 71 straightway A will be right option. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. And 72 correct match. ओके, तो 72 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन सी, डायोशियस डेड पाम. देन 73 सिलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. तो 73 का डी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन. देन 74 मूविंग टू 74 सी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन. देन 75 ओके, डायरेक्ट 75 का करेक्ट आंसर होगा सी. देन 76 अगेन डायरेक्ट A will be right option, haplontic life cycle. Then 77 senescent phase of an organism's lifespan can be recognized by. So 77 D will be right option, all of these. And 78 given figure of Hydra. Okay, so D will be right option. Okay, testis matures earlier than ovary. Okay, so this is Hydra related. Next question, that is question number 79. Okay, 79 incorrect statement ढूंढना है, तो A will be correct option. 80 characteristics of eggs in birds and reptiles are. Okay, तो 80 का सही जवाब होगा D. Then 81 Spirogyra is sexually reproducing alga in which vegetative thallus is haploid in Spirogyra meiosis. Okay, तो 81 का जवाब होगा C, that is occurs after fertilization. Then 82 का राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए. बोथ स्टेटमेंट्स 1 and 2 are correct. Now 83 again figure based question. तो 83 B will be right option. Okay, B will be right option. Then 84 directly 84 C will be right option. Then 85 select the incorrect statement. Okay, so 85 C will be correct option, incestation. Then 86, okay, 86 again this is fission, vertical, transverse, तो all that you need to find out. तो उसके 86 का करेक्ट आंसर होगा डी. ओके, 86 D. And 87 refer the given figures. Okay, and select the correct option. तो 87 का करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा ऑप्शन बी. ऑप्शन बी. Coming to next question, that is question number 88. Which among the following is wrongly matched? Okay, so C is wrongly matched, dioecious plant, coconut. Now 89 B will be right answer, that is 20 number of chromosomes. Now 90 last question. Which of the following propagate through suckers? ओके, तो सकस के थ्रू कौन ये करता है, तो मिंट एंड क्राइजेंथेमम, तो 90 का आंसर होगा ए। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।